And
There we go.
not gonna stay because I'm too tall.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Deep Fa-Rekin Licious.
What's so funny?
You big honking goof. Our minion onesies, don't you like them? Get it, get it, get it. This is my co-host today. My special guest taste tester is Doug Kelly. Doug and I have known each other literally since, what, the early 90s?
Long enough that I would put this costume on and be on your show and not put up too much of a fight.
Taru. So today we are going to be making a healthy tuna fish sandwich. And what makes it healthy is we're going to be using Greek yogurt instead of mayo.
That's good because I can't tune a piano, but I can tune a fish.
Hell to the yeah. All right. Well, let's get started. So what I'm going to start out with here, well, I'm going to be adding 2 cans of tuna to the bowl. I want you to dice some, and just like knock it out with a hammer. Start dicing up the vegetables and then I'll cut all out of there.
So now we got good fresh celery.
Very tinily chopped.
Very small. Okay.
Yes.
Have I ruined the show already? Right. I just got here.
You've ruined. He's ruined. It's ruined. I'm gonna stab you. So yeah, just like.
Oh, so keep cutting it and then do that too.
Yeah. I add the two cans of tuna fish here to this bowl while he
this
cuts
whole stock.
Would you like a little bit of tuna with your celery? We're making 2 tuna fish sandwiches.
All right. I need better instruction. So is that enough, do you think?
That is perfect.
Bam! Oh, sorry, that was another guy.
And then, so we've got our tuna in here. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Again, this is what makes it healthy.
What kind of tuna are we using here? Is this like a special kind? I mean, is this
I caught it yesterday and canned it.
I like that.
Yeah, like yeah.
So I'm just serious. Is this like a special tuna that you like? Is this just generic? Is just this?
No, this is actually from Trader Joe's. Everything I do is like from Trader Joe's. Like seriously, they literally hashtag Trader Joe's sponsor Fa-Rekin Licious. This is just a solid white.
You mean you're talking about them and Trader Joe's isn't a sponsor yet?
No, I've called them. Oh, we don't sponsor anyone.
Anyone yet?
Okay, and then to that we're going to add a 1/4 cup of.
That's all I'm ever going to talk about them. I may never mention their name again.
Good, until they sponsor me. Thank you. So we're adding a 1/4 cup of 2% Greek yogurt to our bowl of tuna while my big honking goob minion buddy here chops up our celery. All right, so let's put this to the side. I'm not in a regular kitchen. I'm in a studio, so we're gonna have to like improvise with where I put stuff so I don't destroy the studio. So I sure hope everybody is doing fantabulous today. Another beautiful day in Myrtle Beach. That is, Doug, OMG. Did you go to culinary school? That's a mad chopping skill. Mad chopping skill.
Well, so I'm most proud that I didn't cut myself.
You know what? We might be adding another 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt to this because I'm forgetting that I'm using 2 cans of tuna and not just 1. Another 1/4 cup of this Greek yogurt.
All right, so should we, does this need to be added yet or should I?
You can add, yes, you can go ahead and add.
Okay. Where'd you go? We lost her. All right, so
another 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Perfect. Oh my gosh. You cut it and make it look exactly like that. How about that?
All right.
So you don't want to chop your fingers off. So you want to hold, like that. Blood is gushing. We've edited that out. And then you want to do the same thing. You want to chop that into very tiny little pieces. Woo! It was 50 degrees in Myrtle Beach. I thought it'd be okay to do the onesies.
By onesie, you mean these suits that we're wearing?
Yes. These fabulous costumes.
Which you got at Walmart.
I did. I got it at Walmart a couple years ago, actually, for a specific reason of doing another show. To this, I'm just going to start adding cracked black pepper and some Himalayan pink sea salt. Y'all know how I love the Himalayan pink sea salt. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder here. So what is going on here? So my hot sauce is clogged.
Hold on, let me show you here.
No, I just removed the clog.
Oh.
So.
Oh, I fixed it. I'm pretty sure I fixed it.
Cool, let's make it extra hot.
You've
ruined the show once again.
Trader Joe's tuna sandwich. Oh, I wasn't gonna mention it, was I?
Oh my God, you're like perfect. You should be teaching knife art at culinary school. The art of proper knifing.
Proud that I didn't cut myself.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
I learned this
you're
from,
not done chopping.
From
Okay,
Jimmy.
so-
From Jimmy Sabachi Jimmy.
Oh yeah. Oh my
Not
God,
really,
Jimmy
he-
Sabachi. I love
Always good stuff
that
with Jimmy
place.
Sabachi. Let me hold
Uh-huh.
this enough.
That's
Yeah.
perfect.
So
Actually,
you
you've
think
done
we're
a
good there?
phenomenal job. We're not going to add all of that. We're going to add about half of that
That's
onion.
a lot of onions.
So-
I am about crying already.
Yeah, crying because you're in that minion onesie. I had to fight with him to put him in this, you know. So anyway, so now I'm going to add half of that onion here to this bowl.
Which half?
This half right here, the closest half, so we're not like spreading it all over the flow. A little bit more.
I'm seriously tearing up over here.
Okay, perfect amount.
All right, red thing here.
Hold on, don't remove it yet. I just want to make sure because I might want some more.
Okay, well then I'll move this to the side. And then should I start cutting this up somehow? Cut it in half once, boom, and then de-seed it?
Abso-freaking-lutely. You might
You're
not
gonna
even. You know what?
You're gonna put this whole thing in there?
I would chop up the whole thing, but you never know.
Whew, my eyes.
Would you like some tuna with your vegetables?
That's okay, because you know I've been on a health kick here lately.
And you've been doing good with
I've been
that.
doing good. I'm actually, my doctor yelled at me last year.
Yeah.
He said, you know, you're hanging in there, Dr. Epperson.
We're giving a lot of shout outs today.
Tideland's Health.
Fa-Rekin Licious shout out. I was at Tideland's Health today. I was at the endocrinology centers calling on those doctors. I sell medical products as well.
So he, other than him, he said, you know, you're hanging in there, but you're going to die young unless you lose some weight and to start taking care of yourself.
Yeah.
And I took a deep breath, and I dropped about 45 pounds.
That is phenomenal.
And my world record over 50 mile is 8 minutes and 24 seconds.
That is absolutely outstanding, and I love it that you decided, you know what, absolutely not. There's a meme that I share. It says, one day I just woke up and decided I don't want to feel like this ever again, so I stopped just like that. And it's almost like that's what it took for you to make that mindset transformation of, I'm going to be dedicated to myself and dedicated to my health.
No, wait, that's the
onions. That's the onions. So I'm going to chop up some spicy pickles. It's going to be stacked with flavor.
So they're like dill pickles or what?
They are a spicy dill pickle, so there's some cayenne pepper. I actually added a little bit of extra cayenne pepper. I like things spicy. I like things a little bit hot, and because that's also good for you. The spicier, the better. So perfect. You're doing very good. Thank you so
I'll
much.
tell you what. Guess
Fabulous.
what? Now I'm glad I washed my hands yesterday.
I'm going to be adding these chopped dill pickles. And again, I like the spicy ones, but you can use regular dill pickles as well. And you know, tuna salad, chicken salad. It's just make it however you want. Again, the purpose for today is to show that you can use Greek yogurt instead of mayo or sour cream and just about anything, and you're not gonna miss out on even the minusculest amount of flavor. That is a perfect amount. So yeah, add those, and then we'll stir everything. Yeah, see how pretty this is? We got the red pepper, we've got some green, we've got purple. This is just going to be outstanding.
Bam!
Oh, bam!
I forgot.
Oh wait, that's Emerald. My signature is clap. Clap. Oh, there's never enough clapping in my shows. That's just what I do. I'm an elatedly excited human being, and when I am in a state of joy, I just clap, clap, clap. Anyway.
This is really looking good.
No, I'm serious. This is just absolutely.
Let me see this here.
Yeah.
So this is just how it's easy.
Amazing.
I can almost taste this already. You can kind of taste
Yeah,
very.
in your olfactory
Yes.
bulbs. Okay, so now we're just going to add a little touch of mustard. Is that clogged too? No, just a little touch. Boop. Not too much.
Okay.
We got a lot of flavor.
How
A
much
little bit
mustard
more.
is that much mustard? It's not a ton of
Little
mustard. A
done.
little of that goes a long
Yeah,
way.
a little bit more sea
Now
salt.
this is Himalayan sea salt. Like
Yes,
I've seen that
again,
before.
well, sea salt is very good for you as far as
I
salt
love
goes.
cracked black peppers too.
Pepper, yeah, that's what I call it. Cracked black pepper.
And you got some, what is it? Garlic?
Just
Garlic
a
powder.
smidgen, a little bit more of garlic. Now we're just going to add, like, I don't know, a teaspoon or so of olive oil. Y'all know how much I like lemon zest.
Zest of lemon?
Yes.
Can I zest the lemon?
Sure.
No,
Yeah, do all the work, Doug. Do all the work. Do it right here. Yeah,
Okay.
that's the perfect.
All right, and how do you know how much zest of lemon you're going to have?
Just we're just going to add some. I'll tell you when.
All right.
Woo, making a mess, making a mess.
Growing up with Alex Trebek, can't help but think about him a lot. He's probably the most trusted man in America.
Wow. I thought you were the most
Alex
trusted man
Trebek,
in America.
well, I'm third.
Third.
Walter Cronkite, Alex Trebek. than they need. I mean, I seriously keep going here?
I think we're good. I think we can never have too much flavor, and the lime zest is just going to add just a punch. Just a we're not gonna add
2/3 of the lemon
because that would be too tart, especially with the the vinegar and the pickles, and so we're just going to add the zest just to give a little bit of punch flavor. And being that we don't have a toaster, we're not going to toast our bread. But typically, I would toast.
I would have brought a toaster.
You've been here all day. How are you going to get a toaster?
What I really like with my tuna sandwich.
What? OMG! It's a miracle. That just came out of nowhere. Let us entertain you. So I've got a nice whole wheat bread, but I use it. I love Ezekiel bread. I always choose a very healthy, hearty bread.
Just making one sandwich?
We're making two. Okay. I'm going to let you have one. You did all the work. You did all the work, so I'm going to let you have a sandwich. Let's start out with a piece of lettuce. And I've got iceberg here just for the flavor. I use iceberg every once in a while. And so then we're going to top our lettuce. Oop. Well, doesn't this smell deep Fa-Rekin Licious, Doug?
It does. It smells
Okay. Fabulous. All right. Let's put another piece of lettuce on.
Okay.
On top. Yeah.
Whatever you say.
Whatever I say. The HMFIC. Anybody knows what that is? Okay. And then we're going to cut our sandwich. I like to cut mine in triangle. And you don't need your crust cut off or anything, do you? You're not like 5, 3, 5. Yeah.
All right. Guess what? I have chopped.
Well, he has done all the
celery.
work. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Were you a waiter as well? Did you?
No.
The crummer.
No, but
the waiter, the waitress comes by. All right. So now we have our deep Fa-Rekin Licious sandwiches. So now we're gonna taste this, Doug. All right.
So.
Yum. Oh, great.
I ate the other day a can of regular Walmart tuna on some crackers, and it was terrible. This is deep Fa-Rekin Licious. Deep Fa-Rekin Licious.
Yes, it
It's
is.
really good. I mean, this is like this is pretty healthy. I mean, this is healthy.
Well, it's extremely healthy. I mean, okay, it's healthy because it's got so many different types of vegetables. You've got your red pepper. It's got vitamin C, vitamin A. Your red onion. You've got your iceberg lettuce adds water. That's nutritional value. The whole wheat bread, the grains, the Greek yogurt, probiotics. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And you're not missing the mayo.
It's better.
Yeah, it's much better. And plus you're adding the good stuff that your gut needs, your gut flora needs with the Greek yogurt. Yeah.
You know what? I got a buddy, Michael Blueharty. Doesn't even like tuna. But I bet you he would like this.
I bet it was good. That's our cameraman. Thanks for being here.
Absolutely, anytime.
Well, all right, guys. Wow. Thank you so much. Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, I'm going to be posting the recipe within the.
Are you going to leave me hanging over here?
No, you don't want me. You don't want me doing that. No, I've got dirty hands. Right. Yeah. Cheers. I'm going to be posting the recipe, and if you like this video, and you want to see more recipes and more videos like this, please like my videos, share my videos with all your friends, with the entire world. And let's bring health and joy and fabulousness and freaking big honking goopness.
Deep Fa-Rekin Licious. Good job.
It is.
Good job. Good job.
Cheers. See y'all. Bye.
See y'all.
Good job.
It's good. I told you.
Yeah, it's real good.
Yeah.
All right, I gotta cool down.
All right. Yeah, I know it's
emergency cool down.
Mustard.
A little of that goes a long way.
Yeah. A little bit more sea
No,
salt.
this is Himalayan sea salt, like so.
Yes. Again.
No, hold on. We're just testing this out. I'm gonna go back out, stand outside for a minute.
Okay. And then take this off.
Right now, what I want to see is how big these eyes are compared to this.